Okay, Windows. Gotta check this out. Let's start by clicking on the Action Center. Let's try the flash icon. Okay, nice. Let's check the brightness. Okay, not bad. Let's now try the background picture icon. Nice. There's a few to choose from. Let's try now the landscape icon. Works fine. Let's pull up the calendar to see how it looks. Okay, good. Let's try the system tray. Okay. The contact icon. Recent apps. Now the start menu. Not bad. Shows all the apps installed. It even has the power icon just like a PC would. It's like having a Windows PC on your phone. You know, ever since I installed this on my phone, haven't had any issues with it. If you're interested in installing it, go to Google Play Store and look for the computer launcher icon. Thanks for watching.